Hello students. So let us begin with the chapter 13, which is going to be in your second UT. Chapter 13 is patterns. See children, first of all, what is pattern? Here I have written a line for this pattern. What is pattern? A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. It can be a design too. Design means which you are watching in your daily life, like in your house also. When you see the grills of your houses, of your windows, I can say. So there also the design which you see, that also repeats. So that also becomes a pattern. In your daily life, you see many of the things. See children, in your class 1 also you have done this chapter. The same way you have to do this chapter. Okay, so here I will tell you the examples. The pattern cannot be seen in only the designs but in numbers also. Like I have written here, series or sequences. Series mean it can be a number series also. Like you see 2, 4, 6. These sums you have already done. Here, first of all, you have to observe the pattern. Okay, how these numbers are increasing. 2, then we'll add 2 to this number, it will become 4. Again, we'll add 2 to this number, it will become 6. And same way, if you will add 2 to 6, it will become 8. So, repeatedly, we'll keep on adding 2, 2, 2 and the next number will come. So, here, the next number will be 8. Then 8 plus 2, the next number will be 10. 10 plus 2, the next number will be 12. Now here, it's a geometrical sequence. Here you see the arrows. One arrow is upwards, then downwards, upwards, downwards. Mean the same thing is repeating. This particular thing, up, down, up, down. This particular thing is repeating means the next one also will be the same. Okay, so up and then down. Okay, now here geometrical shapes are there. Here you see first one is circle, then triangle, then square. It was in class 1 also. Now see, circle, triangle, square. Circle, triangle, square. This is the 3 geometrical figures which are repeating. So the next one will be circle, then triangle, and then square. Okay. I hope you clearly understood that what is pattern. Means a geometrical figure or a number series or a design which keep on repeating is called a pattern. Now see children, in your book, they have given you some pattern around your surroundings. Patterns around us. In everyday life, we see patterns. Some common patterns are, see, they have given you the pictures also. Pattern of the grill of a window. Pattern of a snake in your natural surrounding. Then pattern of a bed sheet. Okay, see the pattern of the bed sheet. The same thing is repeating in the bed sheet. Okay, now exercise 13.1. Here, as I have told you in the syllabus also, you will be having 13.1, 13.2, 13.3 and 13.4 with the worksheet of this chapter. So here, let us do the first question. You are supposed to do this question in the book itself. Look around you and list things in which you find some patterns. See children, you can write the patterns of your choice also. It's not like that you have to do the same things which I am doing. Okay, here I have written beehive. Beehive means where the honeybees live. Beehive. Pattern of leaves, like the leaves of same tree will be of same kind. Okay, then pattern of giraffe. You all of you know that giraffe is also having rings or a design which is called the pattern. Then curtains, pattern of a zebra, pattern on the pencils. Okay, like this, I'm holding a pen here. This also is having a pattern. Okay, see children. Okay, the same way your pencil also must be having a design on it. Some pencils are plain also, but some pencils come with the design. Okay, then tiles in bathroom or any other example like border of the sari or border of the suit also is having the pattern. Okay, any of your choice you can write. Now question number 2, draw some patterns which you have found around yourself. Now here you have to draw the pattern. You can draw anything out of these also, but I have drawn some different things here, or some of the examples I have taken from here only. So it depends on you that which one you want to draw and which one you can draw easily. Okay, so here I have drawn the pattern of a wall. When a wall is constructed, the bricks are laid in this design. Okay, so you have to draw it. Then when we cut the wood of a tree, the rings are there. Okay, and here it becomes a pattern. See, circles are there. The circles of a wood inside a wood. Then beehive. Beehive is in this shape. Okay, how you will draw? You will draw a hexagon. See, first you have to draw two slanting lines, then vertical lines, two vertical lines, then join them. Same way, you have to draw a chain of these hexagons. Okay, then down also you will draw the chain of the hexagons. Okay, this is a beehive. Then fourth one, I have drawn the pattern of a curtain. Simply I have drawn the circles on it. It will be easy for you. Okay children? Thank you.